Hi dear friends, today we are going to learn about how to read any newspaper into your own language. I want to read the famous paper The Hindu into my native language. So I am opening this page of this paper. Okay, this paper is in English. So first I will copy the link of address bar of this paper. Then again I will open another tab. In that tab I will put Google Translate. I will open the Google Translate page. I will select the existing language of my link, that is English. Okay, and then I am going to choose the language in that I want to read this paper, that is Marathi. Now I will paste here the link, and then I will click on the translate link, and you will see that the whole paper will be converted into expected language, that is in Marathi. So in this way you can read any newspaper into your own language by using Google Translate link method. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next topic. Till then, goodbye.